Grace, anong oras na? Malilate na naman tayo. Tara na nga.
Oh no, it's Tokosain.
Decide the vision, mission, and core values now!
Shucks, hindi ko pa naman kabisado.
I'm glad I memorized them.
Starting with you, Miss. Gases food natin. A premier. You? Tapos na!
All at your vision, a premier inclusive university of choice, aspiring to improve man as man by developing individuals through our legacy of excellent education and compassionate value formation.
All at your mission. In our Legion Fatima University, together with the Fatima Medical Science Foundation Incorporated, is dedicated to the improvement of man as man through the holistic formation of individuals imbued with knowledge, skills, and virtues.
All of you core values. Rights. R stands for respect, I for integrity, S for service, and E for excellence. Very good. Yes, ma'am!
Look at them. Parang dati lang, they are unable to recite the mission and vision of our school.
Right? But look at it now. They're not able to instruct students with doctor science. Well, at least that kind of magic talaga, no? To transform students into becoming excellent individuals. Remind na again, one which is so good.
Gusto lang naman yan eh. Because they're also
We rise to the top!